Yeah, hello, Chen. Good morning, and I'm early awake, so I have my coffee time here before I will go my breakfast now because it's still at 5 a.m. and I'm early awake. And here we do our like a sea view. So we have the petals here, bakukang in Bisaya. So many find it good. So today, because of our bathroom or bathtub condition, the decided to um, change us our room. So after that, when we arrive here, so it's already 3 nights na no. So we decided that today we will change the room, and that's also the good thing here. They are very helpful in all your concerns about the rooms. And yeah, we will take our breakfast first, me and Manuel. And we have here, like what I say, I tried the traditional tablilla, the chocolate, native chocolate with the putumaya. That is it. Yeah, of course, I have my dried fish set for today, and I tried the Korean noodle. And when I have his sushi, and he like the bami, Filipino bami, he'll also like it. And good, at least he eat also as of today. And yeah, after this, I always run in the room. And yeah, that's a good thing when you are here. Like you can also eat Filipino foods. But as of now, I really like their putumaya and traditional sikwate, no? Sikwate in Cebu. Very pure. This is also what I really miss here in Cebu, the sikwate. Way back when I was a child, we even buy that here. There's somebody who sell house to house. Oh, so very traditional on yummy, yummy. You also have the dried mangoes and cocoa. So we already go in the other room. Oh my God, look at that. I not expect that they will give us upgrade our room from deluxe to Mactan Suite. Honestly, I already know that last night, and I even told them that that's the reason we not book this because it's for us. It's too big for two people. But the management they decided to give us this room. And Manuel like it very much because he can also already do his bathtub time, because in Germany most kids, so they will do not only shower, they also do once a week or twice a week do in the bathtub. So they will have something like this, like that's what the tradition. So they only not only do shower like us, no. And Manuel decided to have his bigger space of the bed, no. So it's really big for two of us. For me, it's really like for Barcadas and the family. So I'm very surprised with this. Honestly, I already know the rooms here because I already since long like a guest here also, no. But this is our second time come back. And look at that, we also still have our sea view. That's what I also like because I always really miss the sea view. Honestly, after we have this room, there are also many times that Manuel no more like to go out. I no idea. He really more feel comfortable in this big one. And he really like it. And he only go out when he go in the pool. He even no more like to go any excursion with me when I told him to go out. We go visit like this or like that. But he always asks me if he not like because it's super hot outside. So he only go out when he go in the pool. So look at that. He's already have his bath time. Today, Manuel also will experience for the very first time the yacht cruise, or what they call this, the sunset. cruise with the Seahorse Yacht Cebu, Philippines. So we started here in the terminal in the what we called here near in the Punta Inganyo, so beside of the Mubin Peak. We're lucky to get that slot because we only like a joiner here in the group. So you can also we also get the promo for today's sailing. So we have our 3 hours here, and they also have the buffet dinner, and we only do the relaxing view from the Mactan channel, and it's also a good experience for all of us.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you got one. But there's no hurry, the lifelight's calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me. Taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. You're leaving with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer, your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better when they love you. Rumor has it, there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me. Ticking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. We feel crazy. Tell my family I love them. Tell them that I'm doing everything I can to make it home for Christmas. I'll make it alive. Do it again, yeah. Yeah.
Today it's a cloudy, so we not catch out the sunset. But anyway, you can enjoy the cruising by the Mactan channel from the Punta Inganyo to the Sisi Lakes. No? So at least you can pass by the 3 bridges here in Cebu. So we have so this is what we call also the sunset dinner, no? So they have also a buffet dinner here. So at first, of course, they will give you the pika pika, the starter, and you can also have wine, the red wine or the white wine, and they also have drinks here. So that's also good, already included in what you pay for all. And that's also for going back also, of course, in the terminal where is they started in the Punta Incanyo. And they also have music. And by the way, if you want to celebrate your birthdays or graduation or any anniversary, you only come and check their page, because there are times that they have promos, and for me it's very good for the family and yeah, for the barcadas and friends to experience the yacht. We can also sell that the yacht party with the sunset until in the night. So that's all. It takes 3 hours for this one. And for more information, you can also check the Seahorse Yacht Cebu Philippines at Lapu-Lapu City. They also have their homepage or the Facebook page. And that's all, and continue to watch our video because we still have a long day here in the Philippines.
No, mga medical representative. Blah, blah. Awas, Manuel. Sayo-sayo na. Ama.